Hello, guys. I don't know if you guys are watching, but there's a pretty big dip going on with Ethereum. And I got in at a pretty low value. Just picked up a little bit, not going all in or anything, not with Bitcoin so high. But since it did kind of recover a little bit and it looks like it's stabilizing a little bit, but I'm not sure if I like this pattern too much. And I think that's why the wells are starting to unload. So that's why I just got a little bit of Ethereum. Um, if it stays stable, then Ethereum will come back up and I'll make some profit on that deal. This is exactly why in my previous video I pulled out half of my capital out of Ethereum and I left half in. So this dip didn't really hurt me too much money wise. But that's exactly why I left it out so I could rebuy in. And hopefully it'll come back to 1970 again. Then I'll cash out some more and just keep taking the profit. Even if it continues on a downturn and goes up into an upswing, goes down, upswing, I can still make money on the way down doing this. Uh, Now, like a long-term investor, if it is coming out of the bull market cycle, which is a lot of people on YouTube I've been watching, some say that it might go to the moon, like Bitcoin going to 100,000 basically. But some say that it also is in a cycle that's could be nearing the top, where it's going to cool down basically and go into somewhat of a bearish market for a little while, which means it could very well go down like 1700, 1600, 1500. And you don't want to get stuck up here with these high positions if that does happen. But it doesn't look like it's. It looks like Bitcoin's stabilizing. That's a good sign right here. So that's a pretty good sign that it's going to stabilize. I might actually pick up some more, either as long as no more wells dump Ethereum here and Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's basically tied to, I mean, Ethereum's basically tied to Bitcoin. I mean, I'm going to say it over and over, but you can come look at this chart. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 bars, right? 4 big ones. So come over here and look at Ethereum, and you see what? The exact same thing, right? I'm going to be patient and wait a minute and see what's going on here with Bitcoin. Because sometimes when they do this, they wait a few minutes to psych you out, okay, to try to get the market to rebound really fast so they can hit it again, right? So that's why you got to be patient, because they're waiting to see if the market's going to do like a sharp recovery, and sometimes they'll unload like this and they'll wait, and then they'll unload it even more after the rally right after the sharp decline. You can see they did that here, right here. See that they went down, and then they actually did try it, but there was a sharp pushback here. Bitcoin is recovering nicely. In fact, this is why I'm worried. I mean, because the recovery is so strong right now that actually worries me that a well is about to unload again, because they're about to liquidate these people. Whoever's buying in right here. And that upward momentum on Bitcoin is driving the momentum up on Ethereum too. You can see the bar here. Same thing on Ethereum. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if a whale's going to unload on liquidate these people who are buying into Bitcoin at the peak, basically. Got some strong buying action going on, pushing up the price. I don't know. I might pick up a little more. This is a this would be a pretty good deal. I mean, if it swings back up to this level of support around here, even if the next high is lower than this support range, it'd still be profitable to sell out, to buy in around 1930 and sell at about 1960 to 70, 1965. That's still a profitable range. Um, Even with the second tier fees, 0.35%. So this has been brought to you by Whale Chasers, watching the market so you don't have to. Make sure to hit that like, share, and notification bell.